A bird that can swim like a fish, fly like a bullet, and flirt like a soap opera? Meet the razorbill, scientific name Alcatorda, nature's undercover agent. This sleek seabird leads a double life, graceful diver by day, devoted partner by night. But beneath its tuxedo-like feathers lies a world of secrets waiting to be uncovered. Forget penguins for a second. The razorbill wears the same sharp outfit, black above, white below, but it doesn't waddle. It flies. And not just a little hop between rocks. This bird powers through the sky at over 50 miles per hour, wings pumping with relentless energy. It's not built for soaring like a hawk, it's built for work. Those short, stiff wings are better suited for underwater propulsion than aerial grace. But the razorbill makes it work. It flaps like it means it, cutting through wind with the intensity of a bird late for everything. Yet it's beneath the waves where the razorbill truly transforms. With its wings tucked close, it slices through the ocean like a torpedo, chasing prey dozens of meters below the surface. How deep exactly? Up to 120 meters, that's over 390 feet. For perspective, that's about as deep as a 40-story building is tall. And it does this all while holding its breath, relying entirely on instinct and streamlined design to locate fast-moving fish like capelin and sand eels in the chilly North Atlantic. Their beak is a marvel all its own, thick, grooved, and hooked at the tip. It's engineered to seize slippery fish and hold them mid-swim. Unlike many seabirds that swallow fish one at a time, razorbills can carry several at once, neatly stacked sideways in their bill, thanks to a special hinge that allows them to grip one fish while opening their mouth for another. Efficient, deadly, and stylish. But the razorbill isn't all business. During the breeding season, its otherwise dark, glossy beak flashes subtle neon blue lines that glow under ultraviolet light. Invisible to humans, these UV signals likely play a role in mate attraction. A glowing smile in bird world? Absolutely. It's not just functional, it's flair. And when it comes to romance, razorbills are nothing short of legendary. These birds form long-term pair bonds, reuniting year after year with the same partner at the same jagged cliff ledge. No cozy nests or soft moss here, just a sliver of rock, often exposed to brutal wind and rain. Yet they return to it faithfully, sometimes traveling hundreds of miles to do so. Each pair lays just one egg per season, a single high-stakes investment. The egg is pear-shaped, which helps prevent it from rolling off the cliff ledge. It doesn't look like much, but inside is a chick that'll soon take one of the most daring leaps in the animal kingdom. After about 5 weeks of shared incubation between mom and dad, both of whom risk starvation while taking turns sitting still, the chick hatches, and after less than a month on land it jumps, literally, before it can fly. From a towering cliff, into the churning sea below, the drop isn't the end, it's the beginning. The male parent dives in after it and sticks with the fledgling for several more weeks. No hand-holding, of course, but a constant presence, guiding it through its first swimming and fishing lessons in the open ocean. The chick may not be able to fly yet, but it can paddle and dive, and with dad nearby, it learns fast. It's like the razorbill version of father-son boot camp, but colder, wetter, and way more intense. After breeding season, razorbills leave their cliffside homes behind and vanish into the ocean for months. They don't return to land until the next spring. This pelagic lifestyle means they spend the majority of their lives at sea, sleeping on the waves, braving storms, and navigating by celestial cues and Earth's magnetic fields. GPS? Razorbills don't need it. They know where they're going. What's more, these birds are incredibly sensitive to environmental changes. Because they rely so heavily on fish populations and clean, cold waters, razorbills are often considered indicators of ocean health. A decline in their numbers can signal trouble long before humans notice anything wrong. Their social lives, too, are full of drama. Razorbills are territorial during the breeding season. While generally calm at sea, they won't hesitate to get aggressive if another bird threatens their precious ledge. Fights involve snapping beaks, furious flapping, and loud vocalizations that sound like a mix between a bark and a growl. It's not cute, it's survival. And remember those beak grooves? Scientists have discovered that the patterns are unique to each individual, like fingerprints in humans. This could help researchers track specific birds over time without banding them. It also adds to the idea that razorbills, with their distinctive markings and strong social bonds, live lives far richer than they appear at first glance. So, while it may not have a Netflix documentary or 1,000 TikTok tributes, the razorbill is a silent superstar. It's sleek, smart, determined, and fiercely loyal. It thrives in some of the world's harshest environments. And it does it all with no fanfare, just a glow-up beak, a powerful dive, and a partner for life. The razorbill isn't just another seabird, it's nature's dark horse, a master of sky, sea, and secrets. So the next time you see a bird coasting through the sky or diving beneath the waves, remember, some of them aren't just living, they're thriving under cover. The razorbill doesn't just survive in the harshest corners of the North Atlantic, it excels. It commits, it adapts, it glows in ultraviolet, dives like a missile, and raises its young with military precision and heartfelt loyalty. In a world full of flashy influencers and noisy attention seekers, the Razorbill stays low-key, but legendary. If you enjoyed this wild little deep dive into one of nature's best-kept secrets, hit that like button, tap subscribe, and stick around. There's a whole world of untold animal stories waiting just beneath the surface, and we're just getting started. Welcome to the side of nature that doesn't always make the headlines, but always deserves the spotlight. Stay curious, stay wild, and we'll see you in the next one.